Hey guys, how are you today? Pardon me, it is me coming to you with, pardon me, the Citrus Twist unboxing, even though you guys have most likely seen it by now. This thing is huge, this stamp set. This is the stamp set, the monthly stamp set you can subscribe to. It's called Bookends. Anyway, sorry about that. Look at all the deliciousness. Turn the page. Excuse me. These are some of the examples they give you on the back on how to use them. I didn't see that one. That was adorable. Plot twist. Anyway, this is for the monthly stamp set. And, I mean, see, it's even... Sorry. I got a new light over here, and it's just not working for me, guys. It's pointless. Because it's a yellow light. Anyway, I gotta change that out, so... But see how big it is? It's taller than the... Like, you can't even read the thing, so... Shall we do paper? This is the kit. This is the Life Crafted kit. Let's go this way. Can you guys see it? No, this one's got polka dots on it. Little hearts. Flowers. Squigglies. Oh yeah, you know. Oh, there we go. See a little bit better far off. Anyway, excuse me. We'll have two videos back to back today, mainly because I've got a pretty huge announcement to make, and I don't want to impede on the Citrus Twist. This is a 3 by 8, I believe they say. You get your cut aparts, which I don't even think I cut my other ones apart from last month because it's been hectic around here, guys. I love this one. I love it. I love them all. Anyway, I didn't want to impede on Citrus Twist kits, you know, because this is just happiness. I love this because it comes with this, like, paper background type thing. So yeah. That's cute. That matches the that stamp set a while back, with the mountains and stuff, I think. So that's the front side, and then they're two-sided. This is so true right now. Let's take the long way home. Here we go, and then a good old striped. So, you get this pocket thing here, which is super cool. You always get your handy dandy envelope. You get white alphas this time. Some turquoise tiny words. Some cardboard chipboard embellishments. Of course, your ephemera pack. Doesn't seem like it's got as many little pieces in it, which I actually like. Because I feel like I've got quite a bit of little pieces at this point. You also get this glassine bag with the numbers 1, 2, and 3 in it. And those are pretty big. Get back in there. And then, of course, you always get your stamp set, which before it was smaller. I think this was the size, but now you get, I'm guessing 3 by 4. But they don't do the samples on the back of these. But a life chapter could fit in there, I'm sure, and happy, and a real page turner and a kind of day. I love that because it's in parentheses. So yeah, happy times are here. That's cute. So this is your kit. I hope you guys are enjoying yours already. I have been struggling to get some crafty time in, but that's just the way it goes, and I know all of you guys understand that. So I hope you guys are having a great Saturday, and don't forget to get some crafty time in. See you guys next time. Bye.